Geek here, and why am I wearing a welding helmet? Well, I'll explain. I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I've been working on. Last year I posted about this in a little mini welder, and I bought it for 15 bucks on OfferUp and cleaned it up, and I'm happy to report that it works. I made this electrode holder for it because the one that it had did not work at all. It was very broken, and that is simply some bolts, or a bolt and some stuff welded together, and a little bolt coupler with a hole drilled through it, and the wing nut there also welded to a bolt, clamps it down. Works great, and it didn't cost me anything except maybe a couple dollars in bolts. What am I working on? Well, that's the next project here. This is a bicycle hub with a freewheel thread on it there, which is going into this pipe, which came off of an old bicycle. That old bicycle. And the reason I'm doing that, and the reason I have it attached to this, is because I'm doing this. Well, take that off, otherwise it will go flying. I want to make sure that spun true while I welded it together. And it does. In fact, it's not perfect. But that's way faster than I will ever pedal it. If I'm pedaling that quickly, I'm probably going to die. So I'm going to say that it spins true. It's almost perfect. And I'm pretty happy with it. And that is going to be attached to that hub that is on this wheel, which also has that neat little hole in it. And that's what I welded into on this one, and that's how I'm going to get the other one done too. And then an axle is going to go all the way through this. Why would I do this? Well, I have to take the chain line from here that I'm going to be actually pedaling, and it's going to be transferred over here, and then go to a wheel on a trike built with the steel. Wheel, steel, what a deal. That made no sense. Doesn't really rhyme well, but you get the point. I'm building a trike. So, stay tuned on the blog. Make sure you subscribe. Almost said prescribe. Now, I want to give a shout out to my friend Brad over at Atomic Zombie. If you have not been to Atomic Zombie, go to Atomic Zombie, atomiczombie.com. Check out the plans they have. You can get 6 of his plans for 36 bucks. Dude, it's a good deal. Why is it a good deal? Because his plans show you everything. If you've never built anything like this before, I built one like 12 years ago, using his plans, by the way. You can learn everything you need. He teaches you pretty much how to weld, how to cut, like the expansions on weld, or like when things shrink when they weld them, and all the stuff. He shows you everything. Even the simple ones, I bought like one of probably the simplest plans he has. It's over 100 pages. He goes into everything, the bicycle mechanics, the whole bit. So if you've ever wondered about building your own recumbent bicycle, go to atomiczombie.com. I'm Rye Koala over there because that's an old username I don't use anymore. But I've been around there since like 2008, 2007, something like that. So it's a great community, some awesome people, and the owner and his wife, Kat, are really cool. So go check them out, and I'm putting this plug for them. They're not paying me anything. They didn't ask me to do this. I just think they're really awesome, and you should check them out. So that's atomiczombie.com, and I'm going to be putting a link on my website, miss.geek.com, so that you can go check them out and check out the cool deals they have on plans. And he has electric stuff and all sorts of neat stuff. So just stop listening to me. Finish this video. Go check it out. Go to miss.geek.com. Hit the subscribe button somewhere around here on YouTube, but also at miss.geek. Go to the top right corner, hit subscribe, and get notifications when I post updates on the trike that I'm building, which is totally Atomic Zombie inspired, by the way. All right. Take care, everybody.